everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam and Scary Christmas. I have my
Scooby-Doo shirt.
Scooby-Doo shirt on right now. Kind of a mess. We actually just got done making candy, but I wanted to film. That video will be up and coming, so you know there'll be a candy making video. But right now, I am filming today's video. Today is December 7th.
It is.
And so we got number 7 on the advent calendar here. I'm going to open this baby up. Maybe. Man. You know, for as hard as these are to get open, you think that the prizes or the gifts would stay in their containers. Oh my gosh, now I got it open. I can't get it out. Stop rolling your eyes. Oh, there's a prize in here, a thing in here. Okay. So is this, oh, I know who this is. This is the daughter. With her hairband and stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, Audrey.
Clark, she can't feel her face.
She'll see it later. She's blind. Oh, that is awesome. I love that. So, ooh. Today what I have for you is a reveal and an unboxing. And I'm really excited about the unboxing. It's from a brand I've never gotten anything from before. I get their ads all over Instagram. And I finally decided to get one. I read some reviews and they were all super high. And so I thought there's a particular bag color I don't have in my collection that I'd like. And this company came out with one, so I grabbed it, and I'm going to show you. But before that, I'm going to show you my little reveal. And I just want to thank Winnie LV for telling us about this. I got these blue cherries off of Instagram, or not Instagram, Amazon. Winnie told us about them. They came in a lot of different colors. She showed them on one of her videos, and I bought the blue because I thought it was awesome. And this is really nice. It's got the little keychain part here, or you can use the little clip to put it on things. And these are like really substantial, really nice. Again, they were on Amazon, and they came in, I think, 8 different colors.
So they're not blue balls?
No, and they're blue cherries. They're under, I know they were under $20. And so for bag charms nowadays, that's a great deal. So I was really excited to get those. So I wanted to show you. All right, but now I'm doing it as a true unboxing because I've never bought anything from this brand before, and because I want you to see the experience. So this is the box. I'm trying to cover up my address. It looks kind of like this, and this comes from Australia, if that gives you a hint. If you've been getting tons and tons of ads about this.
Oh, that's a knife.
Right? No, yeah, it's not a knife though, but
oh.
Okay, so I'm going to open this here. Yeah, this is a true 100% reveal. I am so excited this came yesterday.
So you can probably fast forward to the 7-minute mark
Hush
here,
up.
and she should be ready to get it open.
You're not nice, but you are funny. All right, so there we go. That worked out really nicely. Okay, we'll try to open this and not show my address. Okay, so I'm pulling this out. Oh, okay. And here is the brand. It's called The Horse. It's out of Australia. So it comes in a really substantial dust bag. Oh gosh, it smells really good.
Does it smell like horse?
No, it smells like leather. So really nice dust bag. Oh, nicely packaged too. It's all packaged up in here. And these are really economical. This was $200.
That includes shipping?
Yes, they ship free to the U.S. I think. I'm pretty sure. And let me see the color here. Right.
Snug as a bug in a rug in there.
Well, yep. Oh, Okay, sorry. Just had to stop here, and I just wanted to take care of a couple things here. And now I'm going to go on with my opening here. So it's really nicely packaged. It smells so good. And here is the bag. And I don't know what my deal is with wanting black bags lately, because I don't have anything like this size. I have a small one and a couple small Coaches, but, and I have my classic flat, but that's a special bag. So, I just thought I'd check this out here. Let's see what this is called again. It's got the tag on it, the Clementine. And this is in the black pebbled leather. Let's see. It's really nicely pebbled. And it doesn't have feet, but it's got this kind of like the Antigona bags do.
Bonus leather on the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, it smells so good. And then it's even got the little leather piece on here. But I want to kind of take this off to show you because I really like the hardware. The hardware on here is silver. And then it's just got this flap opening, but it's magnetized.
That's pretty clever.
Yeah. I just can't believe how nice this is. Okay, so packaging. I'll get to the strap in a minute. Okay, oh, this is nice. Okay, so here's the inside. And it's got like a canvas interior. There's a slip pocket here. There is a zipper pocket here. And then, like I said, did you hear that? It's got the magnets, and I love the silver hardware on it. And look at the slouch. I mean, it's all about the slouch lately, but I also like that it's got the strap here. Clearly the strap is removable.
What gave you that idea?
And
it's like a snake shedding its skin.
Right?
Here we are in the wild. Anaconda loses its skin.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, so it's a really nice strap. It is adjustable. It has these little button adjuster things, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but honestly, the bag's $200. I'm all right with that. And again, the silver hardware. And yeah, so this is all, I was going to say tangled up. It's all
Plasticed up.
Plasticed up, yeah.
That's the word of the day.
So I was going
Plastic.
to try to show this, but
Come on, Webster, get that in for 2025.
shh. Okay, we'll do this some other time. But you've seen straps before, so but yeah, you can use it. To me, like, okay, you can use it on the crook of your arm. I don't think I could do it as a shoulder bag. That'd be not working for me. But it's nice in your hand, and I just love the slouch of this. Like, I know hobo bags are in and stuff right now, and I don't like them necessarily, but this gives it all. You know what this reminds me of too is the
Fortune cookie?
No, the bag that I want from Louis Vuitton. The I can't think of the name of it. I just put it in my video of what I want, but it's kind of got that slouch, but it's leather. So I don't know how good it'll last. I mean, this is really nice. The base. There will definitely be more of these in my future. I can tell you that right now. It's just really, really. I'm just floored. Like, how are they doing this for $200?
Just goes to show you what those other houses are charging on
Right.
gross margin.
It just smells so
Hence
good.
the term gross margin.
And I just love it. I love it. I think it fits a hole in my bags here. And they come in a lot of other colors, and they're more like neutral colors. So if you're looking for bright right now, they don't have anything like that.
Is that the only size?
No, there's all different sizes. You can get this a smaller size. And then they have some hobo-like bags. They have a lot of bags. But yeah, the brand is called The Horse. And it's from Australia. And I am just
Can I get a Vegemite sandwich?
I am pleased as punch. I'm gonna go downstairs, I think, and just order
Oh,
a
boy.
couple more.
I'm gonna go hide your computer.
No, these are just so nice. So I'm surprised. Like, I have one other, I'll get up here, and one other Coach bag that's near this size.
There's Scooby and Shaggy. I saw Fred.
But it's smaller, too.
There's Velma and Daphne.
So, I mean, this is the closest I have, size-wise, to a black bag. And this one's nice, too. This is Coach Outlet. But I'm not going to lie, this feels better than this. Not that this is bad at all, by any means, but
This feels more substantial,
it
doesn't it?
does. It just feels a lot more luxurious than this. And I like this, but I like, there's no way all my stuff is going to fit in here. This is like a quick run around day bag. This is okay, I'm carrying this for the week bag. In fact, I think I'm going to use this as my next bag of the week. I don't normally do that, but I am like in love with this bag.
What you mean, love?
So I am super glad I took a chance on this. This is really great. I am really pleased. Are you singing Take a Chance?
So?
Okay, so yeah. So that is my video for you today. You'll see I have a candy making video coming up. Once we make cookies, we'll do that. Mick's still got to show you his collections. I know he wants to go live one night. Mick wants to do a reading of The Night Before Christmas. So yeah, just a lot of fun things coming up. I'll be doing a video, if all goes as planned, every day in December from the 1st through the 24th. My book videos got changed a little bit. I was supposed to do one this past Thursday. Instead, I'll do one this coming Thursday and then 2 weeks from then. That'll be in addition to my Vlogmas vlogs. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. I typically put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, other than during Vlogmas, and then every other Thursday is a book-related video. If you haven't already found me over on Instagram, I'm there as well at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. And I usually put out a reel every week showing you my bag of the week and the items that fit in it. So this next week, you're going to see this. And this will be fun to play with too, because you can use like every SLG you have will match black. So that'll be awesome. God, it smells. Can you smell it? No? It smells so good. It reminds me of when we opened the Portland Leather Good Bags, except for Portland Leather Good Bags aren't finished off, so I kind of feel like they'd smell like leather. But oh my gosh, this is just incredible. So now I lost track of that, but yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you today. I thank you very much for watching. Again, if you're not subscribed, it's Christmas time. It'd be like your Christmas present to me if you please subscribe. It means a lot to me.
What do I get?
You get me being happier because
they
subscribe. And I guess I'll say what I typically do until tomorrow. Please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Oh, holy night.